What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me today on Crypto Lit, the channel that focuses on increasing your technical understanding in the crypto space. My name's Nathan. Today we're going to be discussing NFTs and specifically how to purchase NFTs using the MetaMask wallet on the Opensea Exchange. So go ahead and click the like and subscribe button on your way in. All right, let's get to it. So originally NFTs began on Ethereum. So with it being that first mover, Ethereum-based NFTs tend to be the most popular ones. Although Cardano and Solana are both kind of gaining speed or gaining steam in the NFT space. But today we're going to go ahead and take a look on how to purchase an Ethereum-based NFT. And the easiest way of doing that is through an in-browser extension called MetaMask. The MetaMask wallet can be easily popped into your Google Chrome or your Firefox or several of the other type of browsers as an extension. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from Google Chrome and go ahead and add it in as an extension. There's a couple of ways you can go about doing this. In the upper right hand of your Google Chrome, you'll see that little puzzle piece, and you can click that, come down to Manage Extensions, and from here you'd hit the main menu and come down and go to the Chrome Web Store. In that Chrome Web Store, you can go ahead and type in MetaMask, and it's going to pop up, and you can click on it from there. Alternatively, you could have actually gone over to MetaMask.io up here in the top and just gone ahead and clicked into it, hit the download now button, and install MetaMask for Chrome. That's a way you could have gone to it as well. So once you get to this point in the Chrome Web Store, you can go ahead and install the MetaMask extension. You'll see I already have it on my machine, so I can't reinstall it again. If I uninstall it, then I have to go through the process of recertifying my private keys and things like that to get it back onto my machine. So just know that this button would be a button for you to click and download the extension. Once you get that extension installed, it's going to pop up a little MetaMask icon. If you go back up here in your Google Chrome to the extensions section, click that puzzle piece, you'll see MetaMask is now listed there as an extension in your Chrome browser. And when you click on it, being a first-time user, it's going to go ahead and take you through the process of setting up your password to access the wallet. And it's going to also want you to store a set of private keys. And private keys, they're going to be a list of 12 words that you're going to be given by MetaMask. And what this private key list does is if for any reason you lose your computer or you get locked out, you can always use those private keys to certify your ownership of that MetaMask wallet and restore the wallet whatever device you're going on to. So having those private keys is very important. You want to take those private keys down, and it could be a list something like this. It's just going to be 12 words, random words that are generated by MetaMask. You want to write those down, make sure that you're writing them down correctly. What I tend to do is copy each word as it's given to me and paste it into a notepad file. So I make sure that I'm getting the spelling correct. You want to make sure you get the order correct as well. It's not just the words, but the order of the words that's important. And then you can use take that list later and store it in a more secure place, whether that be just printing it out onto a piece of paper that you store in a vault somewhere or store it electronically somewhere. So once you've actually gone through the process of signing up for a MetaMask account and getting your private keys and storing those private keys, MetaMask will then be available in your browser as an extension. And again, we can come up here, click the browser extension button, select MetaMask, and you'll get a little pop-up here that's going to show up. And if you haven't signed in, it's going to require you to sign in to get into that pop-up. But once you've signed in, that pop-up will come up. It'll tell you how much Ethereum you have in your wallet. It's going to give you an account number for your wallet. And it's going to allow you to buy Ethereum from MetaMask wallet, which I don't recommend. It takes you out to a bunch of companies that are kind of cumbersome to deal with and tend to charge high fees. My recommendation is that you don't use these third-party companies that MetaMask has in here for purchasing your Ethereum. I recommend that you go ahead and use an exchange like FTX or Coinbase or Kraken or one of the many other exchanges that are out there. Buy your Ethereum there and transfer it into your wallet. From within your MetaMask wallet, you can also choose to send Ethereum out of the MetaMask wallet, and you can choose to swap it from one token to another. You'll see a list of assets that you have in your MetaMask wallet and also activities that you've done recently. So now that you've got your MetaMask wallet in, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to whatever exchange you have your Ethereum on, and you're going to initiate a withdrawal process from that exchange. You'll want to send enough Ethereum to get into your MetaMask wallet and also cover the Ethereum gas fees that are being charged for that transfer of Ethereum from one wallet to another. And I'll talk a little bit about gas fees in a minute. But what you'll do is from that other exchange, you'll initiate a withdrawal of your Ethereum. You're going to copy your account number up here. Just by clicking it, it will copy it to your dashboard. Then when you go over to that exchange and initiate that withdrawal, you'll paste that address in as the Ethereum address that you're sending Ethereum out to. And you'll go through that process of withdrawing and confirming that withdrawal. And after the transaction is confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain, that Ethereum is going to show up in your MetaMask wallet, and you'll be able to use it for purchases on different marketplaces. So the most common place that you can get Ethereum-based NFTs is typically going to be Opensea. There's other sites like Rarible.com that you can go to as well. And you're also getting some of the exchanges starting to do their own NFT marketplace, like FTX and Coinbase are both exploring those and are supposed to be putting those marketplaces into production really soon. So when you come over to Opensea, the first thing that you're going to have to do is connect your MetaMask account to the Opensea website. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to come over to this profile section here, and you'll notice that nothing is signed in. Just go ahead and click the profile button there, and it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. So you're going to choose MetaMask. And when you do that, it's going to want you to sign into MetaMask and verify that you are giving access to the Opensea platform to your MetaMask wallet. You'll see up here on the top right-hand section that the MetaMask icon that I've now pinned to my browser as an extension, you'll see there's a little number there saying that there's an action that needs to be done in MetaMask. So we're going to click that, and it will open up MetaMask and ask you to sign in. So once I've signed into MetaMask, it's now connecting my MetaMask wallet to Opensea, and I'll be able to see anything that's in my collection of NFTs. The other thing I'll be able to do is go over to Opensea, and then I can go search for NFTs that I'm interested in purchasing from here. So I'm going to click the Explore All NFTs button, which will take me over to this search screen, and then I'm going to insert some search criteria. I'm also going to click this option to buy now, as I'm not really interested in doing an auction on an NFT at the moment. So here's a list of things that I can purchase on Opensea. I've put in a price range from low to high, and I've also selected the buy now option, and so all these are ones that pop up. Now, one thing I want to caution everybody is make sure what you're buying when you go out. Just because you see something pop up in MetaMask as an NFT option does not necessarily mean it's an active project or a project that has any kind of substance behind it. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these NFTs, all you'd have to do is click on it. It'll take you into that NFT purchase page, and you can click the option for buy now. When I click that buy now option, it's going to bring up this sale page here. I'll confirm by checking this box that I agree to Opensea's terms of service and confirm checkout. Once I click the confirm checkout button, it's going to take me into MetaMask for me to approve that checkout. So you'll see here MetaMask pops up after I click that button, and it's going to tell me what the estimated gas fees are to purchase this NFT and what the total amount of Ethereum that I'm spending to purchase this NFT. If you don't have enough Ethereum in the wallet to cover the purchase of the NFT, the little confirm button will be grayed out and you won't be able to do it. Now, I have no interest in purchasing this particular NFT, so I'm going to click the reject button and it's going to cancel that sale. Now, whenever you're looking at different NFTs for sale, I recommend that you go and do a little bit of research on the NFT just to make sure that you're getting into a viable project. And how you would do that is you'll see here are some eagles that I've been looking at. If you click on one of these NFTs, it's going to take you back into the buy page and you'll see the developer of this NFT listed up here on the top. That's a link and you can click on that link. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to the home page for that collection. You'll see the team that created this NFT. And you also see that it's got a verified check mark there. That's pretty important. I recommend that you don't buy anything that's not a verified NFT by a verified team. The other thing that you can do from this page is go and do some more research on the team by going over to their website, which you'll see is listed over here in the right-hand side, or join their Discord group. Discord is going to be that area where it's kind of an open chat system, and they're going to give all kinds of different information about the project in that Discord group. So if you're looking to find information out about it, like what the roadmap is for this project, Discord is going to be the place that gives you the most information on each of these projects. It's how the developers of these projects interface with their community. So I'm going to click on this Discord button here to be taken over to the Meta Eagles Discord channel. Now, most of these Discord channels are going to be laid out very similarly. They'll have the stats of the Discord channel server over here on the left-hand side and the different links that you can click into for sections of information. The one I'm going to click into is the flight path for this one. And what this one is doing is it's laying out what their roadmap is for the project, the things that are going to be benefits that you're going to get by joining into this NFT project. And so what I recommend is as you're researching NFTs, you want to be a part of an NFT that has a good roadmap, but also a roadmap that's achievable. You know, a lot of these projects are going to claim these great things, and you look at it and you think, how in the world are they ever going to achieve that? So a strong roadmap is important, but also an attainable roadmap is important as well. As you get into these Discord channels for these projects, you're going to want to check out the different things like the FAQ pages, the rules pages, go to their announcements section, see what kind of announcements they've been making. If you have questions about the project, the best way to get your questions answered are going to be searching through some of these different sections of the server or going into the general chat section and just asking questions. Now, ideally, you're going to be able to find a project that hasn't necessarily launched yet, something that has a good roadmap for you to follow, something that you can get excited about. And you'll go ahead and join their Discord and see what it takes to get on their whitelist. Now, what whitelist means is it's a list of people who have been given the right to mint one of these NFTs when the project launches. So your goal should be to find a good project that's up and coming that you can get on the whitelist for, because if you get on the whitelist, then you're buying the NFT as it first launches, and it's typically going to be a lower mint price than it will be a resale price on the market afterwards. Once you've purchased your NFT on Opensea, it's important to note that you're going to see that NFT under your profile section. So you come up here onto the upper right-hand corner, hover over that profile thing there and click the profile button. It would take you into your specific profile, and you'll be able to see the NFTs that you've purchased there. Now, you can choose to transfer these off of Opensea to a cold storage wallet, and if you're going to keep the NFT for a long period of time, that's something that I do recommend. It's always more secure to have your NFT into a cold storage wallet somewhere else off the exchange. The other thing I'll mention is that Opensea allows you to bid on NFTs, so you don't have to use the purchase now option. If you see an NFT that you really like, but you don't like the price, you can put in a bid that's lower than that. The thing is, though, that you'll need to use what's called wrapped Ethereum to make those bids. Wrapped Ethereum is basically a currency that allows users to make pre-authorized bids that can be fulfilled at a later date without any further action from the bidder. So the WETH is used to buy and sell with auctions on Opensea. Ethereum and wrapped Ethereum are worth exactly the same amount and can be exchanged directly on your Opensea profile. So basically with wrapped Ethereum, you can make multiple bids on an NFT, and as soon as one of those bids gets picked up, all your other bids are going to get canceled out. To get wrapped Ethereum into your Opensea account, what you'll do is you'll come up into the right-hand corner and click your Opensea wallet. That's going to show you the amount of Ethereum that you currently have available in your MetaMask account that's showing up in Opensea. And so what you'll do is you'll come to the Ethereum section here and click on the little ellipses button for more options. And then you'll choose the wrap option here. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up a little interface for you to say how much of your Ethereum that you want to wrap and turn into WETH instead. And you'll type in that amount and click the convert tokens. When you do that, it's going to show up as another asset within your Opensea wallet place, and it'll show up as the wrapped Ethereum. You can then go in and start making bids on other NFTs using that wrapped Ethereum. To sell one of your NFTs, you'll go back into your profiles page, and then you'll go into the section of NFTs that you've collected. Choose the one that you want to sell and go ahead and click on it. Opensea will bring up a details section for that NFT that you clicked on, and you'll go up and click the sell button in the upper right corner. Then you'll be directed to the list item for sale page. You'll be able to choose whether you want to have a fixed price sale or a timed auction. For this example, I'm going to choose the fixed price sale, put in the amount of Ethereum that I'm going to sell this for, and choose the duration that I'm going to have the sale available. You'll see on the bottom the service fees and creator fees that are being charged for the sale of this. Now, most NFTs are going to have written into the contract that the creator gets a percentage every time it's bought and sold. The service fee is what Opensea charges you for listing and selling this NFT on their marketplace. When I hit that complete listing button, it's going to take me into this interface where I have to then go and initialize my wallet and approve this sale through MetaMask. So you would see the estimated gas fee that MetaMask lists for this sale, and I would click the confirm button to go ahead and list it. Once you've done the final confirmation for the listing process, you could go to your profile page and click on your listings section and see any of the NFTs that you have listed for sale. It would then be listed in the marketplace for other people to go and review and pick up and purchase. So that's the basic process for how you would use your MetaMask wallet to go and purchase Ethereum-based NFTs off the Opensea marketplace. Thanks for joining me on this video. I hope you learned something. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button on your way out, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.